Good morning, everyone. Gina here, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have 5 deals over at CVS that are starting on the, the 6th of October. I think that's the date on Sunday. So these are the deals, in my opinion, that I think that you should be avoiding. So every single week I bring to you guys deals of what you should be doing, what are good deals. And instead of doing like a top 5 or 6 CVS deal, what I'm going to be doing every single week is piecing through the ad and sharing with you guys deals that I think are deals that are not great deals, because I've been couponing at CVS for years at this point. So I kind of understand their sales cycle. I know what things are priced, when they're priced. So I want to make sure that I'm giving you guys more education in terms of letting you guys know when you should buy something versus when you shouldn't buy something. So instead of doing a top 5 deals for CVS or Walgreens, because we have Llewellyn that does that, we have Natalie who does that. So I think that bringing you guys a different type of video in terms of piecing through what are not good deals would be a really good idea. So I'm going to be doing that every single week. So let me know in the comment section below what you guys think of it, and comment, hello, Porter. This is Porter. Say hi to Porter.
He's a rescue.
He's a rescue, yes, yes. He is a rescue dog. He was homeless and we took him in. Because of him, I didn't get my Jersey Mikes when I was pregnant with our first daughter. I was really craving Jersey Mikes, and I was about to run and go get it at lunch. And then I saw Porter with some other coworkers, and they said, oh, we just called animal control. And I was like, oh my God, I cannot let a Chihuahua in Santa Ana go to the pound, because there's an abundance of them. So I called my husband. I thought, he's not going to let me take this dog home. And sure enough, he did. And since I am a crazy couponer, I had a crap ton of dog treats in my car. So I fed him some dog treats, and then he threw up in my car. And then Chris took him to the vet that very same day. And he ran away from Chris in PetSmart, and then Chris was like, oh my God, Gina's going to kill me because I lost her dog. And then at that point, Porter was either going to be named Bandit or Porterhouse after the Porterhouse steak. So that's a little story on Porter. So say hi to Porter. And let's just go ahead and hop into this video.
You guys, so I think that this coming week, Physicians Formula is actually one you want to avoid, because Physicians Formula is going to be on a spend 20, get $8 back in extra care bucks. And I personally like shopping when there's a little less out of pocket and a little higher value of in extra care bucks. So just to give you guys some math to see what you'd be working at. So if you were to get 2 things that were priced for So if you were to pick up 2 things for $9.99 each, you would be getting them at 2 for $19.98. Now, if you had a 3 off 12 CRT, then you would be down to $16.98. Then you get an $8 extra care buck. So now we're down to still about 8 something after coupons and extra care bucks. So I think that's still a little high out of pocket for Physicians Formula. Alrighty guys, so I think a deal that you should be passing on this week is the OGX deal. So the OGX is buy 1, get 1 half off, and buy 2 and get a $2 extra care buck. There's been a lot of times when it's BOGO, buy 1, get 1 50%, and you get a $8 extra care buck when you buy 3 of them. So I think that that's the time to buy when it's priced that way. So always wait, even if you have a hair care CRT, it's still gonna be a lot with only getting a $2 extra care buck. So if you saw that in the ad and you were curious, oh, maybe I will hop on this deal, don't do it. Wait until it's at least buy 1, get 1 50, and get at least an $8 extra care buck. Alrighty guys, so a deal that I think you should be skipping on is the U by Kotex. So the U by Kotex, they are on sale for $7.49. Everyone will get a $3 extra care buck when you buy 1, but we only have dollar insert coupons. So you're looking at $3.49 after your coupons and extra care bucks. And we can get feminine care for a lot less than that, even if you paired it with a CRT. I just don't think that that would be a very good deal out of pocket. All right, so another deal in my opinion you might want to skip on is the Johnson & Johnson. So the Johnson & Johnson is on a buy 1, get 1 50%. I know we have insert coupons, but I am currently filming on a Wednesday, and the deal right now is buy 25, get a $7 extra care buck. So don't do Johnson & Johnson deals unless there is some sort of extra care buck attached to it. Guys, so A deal that you absolutely should be skipping on 100% is the 12 pack of sodas. So the 12 pack of sodas are 2 for $9, so it makes them $4.50 a 12 pack, which is a terrible deal. So don't be stocking up on your do not be stocking up on your 12 packs this week, because this is a terrible deal, especially since they're currently 3 for $10. Alrighty guys, so Lysol is on a buy one get one 50% off sale, and I think that you can absolutely go ahead and skip this deal, because a lot of times Lysol will be paired with scrubbing bubbles and other cleaners to get extra care bucks. In my opinion, whenever you see a household deal like Lysol or even Febreze, like, don't purchase unless there is an extra care buck deal attached. So this is obviously just my opinion. Like, even though this video is the deals you shouldn't do, if you disagree with me, like, feel free to come into CVS and get some Lysol on a buy one get one 50% sale. I'm just making this video to kind of help you guys out in terms of you know, piecing through like what a good deal is and what a good deal is not.
Thank you guys so much for watching the top deals that you should not be doing. So let me know in the comment section below what you thought of this video, and if you would like to see this video on a regular basis here on my channel. So I will talk to you guys all later. Bye.